I'm getting ready to head out on my next camping trip. And before I go, I'm actually leaving in a couple days, but I have to work. And anyway, I've got a lot going on, but before I left and got all caught up in packing and traveling on my new camping trip, I wanted to go ahead and finish up this giveaway. I was super excited about it, and I just didn't want to leave and be gone for a couple days and leave this hanging. And so we're going to go ahead and pick our winner. Alright, you saw it here first. Elaine Blind. Apologies for mispronouncing, I'm sure. This is all yours. So I will leave my email address in the video notes. Please just contact me, contact me, let me know where I should ship this. Congratulations. For those of you that might be interested in this Ratchet set and who didn't win, I will leave a link to this product also in the video notes. Thanks so much for watching. As always, please stick around. I've got an actual truck camping trip coming up, so I am very much looking forward to that and getting back out on those roads in the woods, on the dirt roads, and doing some exploring. So stick around. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, if you like my content. Thanks so much. See you soon.